Yo, what up guys, welcome to Crypto Nice. In this channel we take you to cryptocurrency tutorials, which is what I'll be doing today. Market trends for cryptocurrency traders, project reviews for those who want to invest in blockchain projects, and also event highlight of any blockchain events that we'll be attending. So if it's your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell button to get notification of subsequent videos that will be coming up on this channel. Today I'll be taking you through how you can create a cryptocurrency wallet, how you can send and receive cryptocurrencies through your cryptocurrency wallet, and also how to make your cryptocurrency wallet safe. Just make sure you stick around this video. This tutorial is for those who are new to cryptocurrencies. If you are just new to cryptocurrency, you are finding your way in the market, you are finding what's best for you, I think this video is important for you. And for crypto enthusiasts that have been around for a while looking for that perfect cryptocurrency wallet for your funds to be safe, this video is important for you. And for those who want to get knowledge about how cryptocurrency works, how cryptocurrency wallet works, this video is also for you. For cryptocurrency spectator, you just like learning about cryptocurrency, you don't have that keen interest, this video is for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. So going into the tutorial in details, today I'll be teaching you how you can create a Jazz cryptocurrency wallet. Out of all the cryptocurrency wallets we have in 2018, I think Jazz is outstanding because you don't need to sign in with your email or your personal information, and they accept a lot of cryptocurrencies. So I've been hacked twice and I've been very careful selecting a cryptocurrency wallet, because what happened to me, I lost a lot of cryptocurrencies. Then I was new to cryptocurrency, I didn't know much about how it works then, but now I'm experienced. So I don't want anybody listening to this tutorial to have such experience I had. So now this is the website jazz.io. Note, this tutorial is not sponsored by Jazz. I just did my personal review and I choose them because they are doing something good. So this wallet is compatible for Android users, for iPhone users, and for people that don't want a lot of apps on their phones. They like using the Chrome App Store. It's compatible to Chrome users as well. So the desktop version is available. So I'll be leaving links for these 4 versions if you want to download. I initially did a screen record on my Android phone, but through editing I noticed you guys will not be able to see it very well. So that's why I'm doing the desktop version, which I downloaded already. So it's just same process with the desktop version. So just make sure you stay tuned. So currently I'm installing the Jazz Liberty setup. We have the Jazz Liberty cryptocurrency wallet coming up after installation. So what you're seeing is create a new wallet, pair, restore existing wallet. So this is for those who want to create a new wallet. If you are just new, like I'm just creating a new wallet now, but for those who maybe you have it on your mobile phone, you now want to restore the wallet, you can click it. So now we are here to create a new wallet. First thing that will come up is the term and service. They will tell you the last upgrade was 21st of December 2018, and the background was what, how, who, the privacy connections, retention, identifiers, permissions, obligations, and everything. So let's just agree. Now it's creating the wallet. Please, you can kindly subscribe if you're enjoying this tutorial, if it's your first time on this channel. So we have a cryptocurrency wallet now created. We are continuing. So after the registration, this is what you will see on the home button of your wallet. So I'll be explaining every aspect of this wallet so you can get it, and I want you to pay a lot of attention to this particular area in the tutorial, because this is the main reason why we are doing this tutorial. First, what we can see is your Jazz Liberty is not backed up. Without recording your backup phrase, your asset could be lost forever. Let me explain this. Probably you have the wallet now, maybe you lost your phone, and after losing your phone you have a particular cryptocurrency in the wallet on your phone which you lost. So how can you restore the wallet back? So what you do is you back up the wallet by writing down some phrases. So when you lose your phone, you can just download another Jazz wallet, and for when we wanted to log in, create a new, you can see backup phrase. You can just press that and paste your phrase there and you get your wallet back. So that's how it works. So let's do this. So backup phrase now. Record your phrase. With your backup phrase, you'll be able to restore your wallet even if you lose access to this device. But keep the 12-word backup phrase private. Anyone who has it can transfer away your digital assets. No one is looking. Okay, so start. So this is mine. I will be copying it. I've copied the letters. So let's start. Number 1 is Coral.
Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Jesu.
The phrase, let's confirm. Backup complete. Your backup is what you need to regain access to your wallet. So if I lose this desktop, maybe I lost it, maybe it's got spot, so I can easily recover this wallet. So now back to the home. So now we have the wallets. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. So if you want to check other cryptocurrencies that this wallet is supporting, you can just press this button. It will bring another set of cryptocurrencies. So this wallet supports Dash, Zcash, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin. It supports RSK Miner, Unity, Golem Coin, and Yoga. So I think we have 12 cryptocurrencies there, and this is the market situations now. So Bitcoin is 3,973.58 as at the time of this video. I hope to see Bitcoin someday around $100,000. So this is Ripple and so you can get informations of market update here. So we can see the change within 24 hours for Ripple is 3.5, while for Ethereum is 14.76. So you can see something is going on in the cryptocurrency market. Please, if you want to know how to trade cryptocurrencies, there's a community group link in the description section of this video. Kindly click it. It will take you through how you can trade cryptocurrencies and make profit from it. So here's the block explorer. if you have a transaction, after doing a transaction, you just paste the TX hash there. You will get, if your receiver have gotten the money, or if someone claim they sent you money, tell them to give you the transaction ID. So once you get the transaction ID, just paste it here. It will truly show if the person sent you money or not. So this is your total portfolio. Here you can receive cryptocurrencies. Now maybe I want to send you Bitcoin, or I want to send you Ethereum. So first thing I'll ask you is, oh bro, says send me a wallet. So how do you do that? You just press the receive cryptocurrency. You choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Okay, I said to send you Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin. Okay, you press Litecoin here, and this will appear. This is your cryptocurrency, your Litecoin wallet. So you can just copy it. Note, if you have to receive Bitcoin, you have to give the sender a Bitcoin wallet. If you have to receive Ethereum, you have to give the sender an Ethereum wallet. Please, if by mistake you are sending a Litecoin address to someone who wants to send Bitcoin, and the person did not cross-check, sent an Ethereum cryptocurrency to a Litecoin wallet, the cryptocurrency is gone for life. Nobody can recover it because of the immutability nature of blockchain. This transaction is gone for life. So please be careful when receiving cryptocurrencies or sending cryptocurrency. So the next question that comes to your mind is, okay, if I receive cryptocurrency and I want to send cryptocurrency out, how can I do it? So I'll be giving you that. So now you have someone sent you Bitcoin. Now you want to send Bitcoin to somebody. What you just do is you press the Bitcoin. Wow, what we see here, you see your balance already, what you have. If you have 1 BTC, 2 BTC, you see that. So just press here, send cryptocurrency, and the person is going to give you an address. Okay, let's get an address. So since you can get an address here. So Bitcoin. So just copy. Let's go to where we want to send cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin. So let's assume the person sends you his wallet. What you just do is you just need to paste it right here, the amount of Bitcoin you are sending. So you can easily use Google for USD, and the way you're pressing it, 1 BTC to bring out the equivalent value in USD. So if you are sending 0.1 BTC, it will bring out the amount here, and it will bring out the transaction fee for transaction you are doing. Well, I want you guys to pay attention here. Now I'm sending 1 BTC. See the transaction fee is not even up to $1. These are the uniqueness of cryptocurrency compared to our centralized system that we are used to. Now if you want to send money to someone maybe outside your country, payment merchant will charge you 10% of what you are sending. Now see what cryptocurrency is charging. So we are getting to the end of this video. Please, if you have any question concerning this tutorial, leave it in the comment section of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell button. And lastly, please follow me on Instagram at manlikeleo. I post content about cryptocurrency, latest information on cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching this video once again. Hope to see you in my next video.